The United States is full of incredible travel destinations, but many of them come with a hefty price tag. However, there are plenty of affordable getaways that offer stunning landscapes, rich history, and unforgettable experiences, all without breaking the bank. Whether you love nature, culture, or adventure, here are 10 incredibly affordable travel getaways in the USA. 1. Great Smoky Mountains, Tennessee and North Carolina. America's most visited national park is also one of the most budget-friendly. With free entry, countless hiking trails, and breathtaking mountain views, the Great Smoky Mountains offer a perfect getaway for nature lovers. Stay in a cozy cabin, explore waterfalls, and enjoy scenic drives like the Blue Ridge Parkway, all at a fraction of the cost of other mountain destinations. 2. San Antonio, Texas. This historic city is packed with affordable attractions. Walk along the beautiful San Antonio River Walk, visit the legendary Alamo, and explore the Mission Trail, all for free. Enjoy delicious Tex-Mex cuisine at local markets and take in the city's vibrant culture without spending a fortune. 3. Asheville, North Carolina. A hidden gem in the Blue Ridge Mountains. Asheville is known for its artsy vibe, craft breweries, and stunning natural beauty. Hike to Craggy Gardens, explore waterfalls in Pisgah National Forest, or enjoy live music downtown, all without straining your budget. Affordable lodges and free outdoor adventures make Asheville a great low-cost getaway. 4. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Home to stunning desert landscapes and rich Native American culture, Albuquerque is one of the most affordable destinations in the Southwest. Explore Old Town Albuquerque, hike the Sandia Mountains, or attend the famous Balloon Fiesta. The city's budget-friendly dining options and free outdoor attractions make it perfect for an inexpensive trip. 5. St. Augustine, Florida. Femta Street, Augustine, Florida. As the oldest city in the U.S., St. Augustine offers history, charm, and affordability. Walk along cobblestone streets, visit the historic Castillo de San Marcos, and relax on the nearby beaches. With affordable accommodations and free attractions, this coastal gem is a great budget getaway. 6. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. A surprisingly budget-friendly city, Oklahoma City offers free attractions like the Myriad Botanical Gardens and Oklahoma City National Memorial. Enjoy delicious barbecue, explore the city's cowboy culture, and visit the Bricktown Entertainment District, all at an affordable price. 7. South Padre Island, Texas. This beautiful Gulf Coast destination is an affordable alternative to expensive beach resorts. Enjoy white sandy beaches, wildlife reserves, and stunning sunsets without the high costs of other tropical destinations. Visit during the off-season for even lower prices on accommodations and activities. 8. Savannah, Georgia. With its charming historic squares, moss-draped oak trees, and scenic riverfront, Savannah offers an affordable southern getaway. Take a self-guided walking tour through the historic district, relax in Forsyth Park, and enjoy delicious southern cuisine at budget-friendly restaurants. 9. Boise, Idaho. A hidden gem in the Pacific Northwest, Boise is an affordable outdoor lover's paradise. Explore Boise River Greenbelt, visit Idaho's hot springs, or hike in the Boise foothills, all without spending much. The city also boasts a lively art scene and budget-friendly farm-to-table dining. 10th Finger Lakes, New York. A scenic retreat in upstate New York, the Finger Lakes region offers affordable wineries, waterfalls, and charming small towns. Hike through Watkins Glen State Park, explore vineyards with low-cost tastings, and relax by the picturesque lakes, all while sticking to a budget. Affordable travel doesn't mean sacrificing adventure. These incredible U.S. destinations prove that you can experience stunning landscapes, rich history, and unforgettable experiences without spending a fortune. Whether you're craving mountains, beaches, or city charm, there's an affordable getaway waiting for you.